I'm Mike Colomeco, and this is The Bite. Food halls are all the thing these days. Every time I turn around, there's a new food hall opening up somewhere. Manhattan, Brooklyn, you name it. They're huge, and I get it. I'm not a big fan of eating in them, but I understand how they work financially on both sides of the equation. Well, Manhattan's getting two big new food halls. One downtown in the financial district at 28 Liberty Street. It's a brand new building. It's the building that has Danny Meyer's latest place, Manhattan, up on the top floor. And it's going to be a well-curated list of vendors to hit the Wall Street people for lunch or casual dinners. Uptown in the old Bobby Flay Bar American space, which is huge, that's about 1,200 square feet, that's going to be turned into a food hall too. So rather than getting a single restaurant tenant, it's going to give all those Midtown people the option of fast casual lunches or dinners in a food hall setting. Hey, food halls, they're a thing.
Colavita, proud supporter of The Bite.